Hey everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here, and today was day 7 of our master bath renovation. No framing took place today, but the electrician was here this afternoon and they made some good progress. I'm going to film this before we lose too much more light because having the electrician here didn't mean that we have more lights yet, because right now it's electrical rough in. So it actually means we have less lights because some switches were taken down. So let me see if I can walk you through what happened today. So we'll start back over here. Nothing changed over here where the closets were. The electricians didn't even get over to that part yet. This is where the bed was. So over here, look, we have our little switch. This little switch is going to be for my little closet outside of the bathroom, and our little wire up there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. That's where we'll have a little light coming out so that I'll be able to see in that tiny closet. Now up here, we're moving the light and fan. That's moving over into a little bit more central location. And then over here, where you see all these wires coming down, this is going to be command central. Light switches will be here. This control for the heated tile floor. So all of these wires coming down will be coming to some sort of box over here, thermostat control. Then over here on this wall, this is wiring for electrical outlets, for our medicine cabinets that also have electrical outlets, for lights. So there's just wires coming down here. Then over here, we've got the spot where will be a fan. We need a fan to remove moisture out of the air. And over here, the area where the shower light is going to be, that is that little box. It got moved from, I think it was here where the other little box was to here. So that will all get patched up. It doesn't look very good right now, but it has to be done. And it's all good. Oh, and just one more thing. We had over here, there was a light switch to go into this closet originally, our walk-in closet, and that got patched up and taken out. So right now there is no more lights in our bathroom. They're all gone. And so now we're going to have to, when they work in there, they're going to have to bring in their own lights because they won't be able to use the existing lights. But it's kind of exciting. I think tomorrow we have the framer slash plumber coming back to finish framing, more plumbing rough-in, and maybe the electrician will be here tomorrow to finish up the rough-in. So a lot going on. I know these changes today have been really subtle, but they're so very important, and I'm just really looking forward to each step along the way. Thanks for joining me on my journey. Bye.